Hey, my friend, Vic here. I'm founder of the 4% and creator of Internet Traffic Academy. I want to talk to you about traffic in this little ad. So look, if you have a website, product, or offer, a company, if you're a business owner or an agency, you want to get more traffic to your thing, I'm going to share with you number one secret that most people miss it, but when you get it, you can take your company, your brand, your product, your sales, your leads to a stratospheric level. Let me ask you a question. What does Facebook, Google, Amazon have in common? Well, they're all, world's biggest brands right now, right? But there is one thing that they all have in common that they focus on like there is no tomorrow. You know what that is? It's the very thing that made them Facebook, Google, Amazon, and so forth. You know what that secret is? Two words: data aggregation. Okay? Think about it. Facebook is a free social media platform. How come they are valued at as a multi-billion dollar company? They're free to use. Data aggregation, right? Why is Amazon so focused on getting data from their users? Why? Because that's what made Amazon Amazon, so they can improve their stuff, they can scale, they can create better customer experience. Now let me ask you a question. Okay? As somebody who is promoting things, if you're a marketer or an entrepreneur, do you aggregate data in your business? Now, when it comes to traffic generation, a lot of people, here's what they're doing. They're focusing on the wrong business model. It's an old business model. It's called platform dependency. This is where you go to Facebook, right? And you rely on Facebook to send you traffic. And then if Facebook changes their algorithm, there goes your traffic. Somebody relies on Google and somebody relies on Snapchat or Instagram, right? Or TikTok or whatever the next big thing is gonna be. And people are like sheep. They're just running to the next best thing, whatever the next hottest thing is, constantly depending on that very next thing, and you're being in the mercy of their algorithm. Does that make sense? We don't follow that model here. At Internet Traffic Academy, we teach something called data aggregation traffic system. This is where you create your own well of fresh water to drink out of, and you never have to depend on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, whatever the next thing is gonna be, right? Who knows? But what we do is we take traffic generation in our full control and we call our shots. Now, I ran a secret experiment on this particular methodology, and we were able to generate, listen to me on this one, 17.5 million unique visitors, okay? Over 3.7 million leads, okay? That we can communicate to with a push of a button. How awesome is that, okay? That generated over $12 million in revenue. Now the big question is, Vic, how much did it cost you to get those visitors? It must be a fortune. Well, what if I told you it cost us on average 7 cents to get a visitor? 17.5 million visitors. At average cost per visitor, it's 7 cents. Vic, it's not possible. It's not when you don't understand data aggregation business model. But when you understand this business model and you deploy it in your business, okay, this is what's realistic. Now, if you would like to know all about this, if you would like me to show you what we're doing, what's working for us right now, if you want to take your business, take your traffic generation to a whole other level, if you want to become a world-class traffic and conversions expert in your niche, in your company, within whatever you're doing, check out the training that I just put out. And I'm going to teach you all about this data aggregation traffic system that can get you massive traffic, huge lists, insane conversions, big list of customers, and more importantly, the awesome life that you really want. I'll see you in the training.